What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras between two devices that I'm eager to put together. Well, I got the Sony One Mark II in the building, and we all know the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the King Supreme, one of the King Supremes of 2020. Well, let's put these two titans to the test and see which one is King Supreme. Well, in this video, guys, I'm going to do daytime only. I'll always do two dedicated videos, one daytime, one nighttime. But this video right here is all daytime. All right, so let's talk about the Xperia One. This device is supposed to be a content creator's paradise. This device has a lot of stuff going for it. This device has 3 camera apps on it. It has a regular consumer app, which that's what we're going to do in this video. We have a Cinema Pro app if you want to get that cinematic footage that you control all your dials like Pro mode. Then we have a Photo Pro app here if you want to use the Pro modes for still footage. Now, I'm going to make dedicated videos about both of these apps, but in this video, I'm going to do the consumer camera app because I believe it's fair. But let's put these two titans to the test and see in auto mode which one is King Supreme. So y'all guys know how I do it. Before I start every video, we got to clean the camera lens, and the reason why, because there's no excuses on this YouTube channel. All right, so the camera lens is clean. Let's go. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. I have the Sony One Mark II, and I got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, let's go on and talk about the Sony phone for a second. This device has 3 camera modes. You have the regular one, which is this one here, which I'm shooting in auto mode, and the reason why is because of this video right here. I'm just trying to make it a fair shake between both devices. Then you have 2 Pro mode camera apps on this device. You have a still footage camera app. Then you have a cinema video camera app on this device that you can make all your adjustments. So the Sony phone is a pro level type device that you need to make all your adjustments, and it's really for, you know, kind of high end filmmakers, but the Galaxy S20 Ultra is a consumable product. So there it is, right? So I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio, but all the magic happens with the Sony device in Pro mode. And I'm going to make a lot of videos about it so y'all guys can see the capability of the Sony Mark II. But let's go on and see here. You beat it just for yourself in auto mode. Which device is better? Okay. Boom, there it is. All right.
The Chosen.
All right, so this is the front-facing camera on both devices, and you beat it just for yourself. I got a lot of camera reviews coming out for this device, so stay tuned for that. But I wanted to give y'all guys auto mode only, and God, look at the Sony phone though. Look that great in auto mode. As you can see that the background is completely highlighted out, but in auto mode, I don't know, guys. The Sony phone is not that great in auto mode. Trust me, once I get it to pro mode, things probably gonna change. But in auto mode, especially with trying to do macro shots in photography, not that great, especially with the zooming capability with the device. Didn't like it that well. So, I'm going to, again, do this in pro mode. And I think this device is catered to pro mode. And I want y'all guys to see how the sun is hitting me right here. Look at the difference between the Sony phone and the Galaxy S20, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And but yeah, look, it is what it is. I got a lot of videos coming out, but this is auto mode. I want to stress this in this video because I don't want, a lot of people say it's trash. I think this auto mode is the one. Once I get deep down into pro mode, I think it's going to be a whole lot better. But as far as the average consumer, yeah, I mean, if you're not a professional to try to make all your adjustments, it's definitely not the device for you. But look at the background of it's definitely blowed out, highlighted. Yeah, this is Eric, the tech preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. And look, I'm only going by what I see right here on the screen. It may look better once y'all guys see it, but the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra look absolutely stunning. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.